ni ton malan wow na raksokon ton peyo wow ki sanan kan ko lukan ko nanalang ko nang kanyi ko wow choror hong saman macen kopna Korean kopna speaker and legislature sound kopung lapalapakan nan panyenchiya momot sa government ho John Pon Peng Sap Pachawan Luka Kumran Koras ang nai sabal macay Roman Ranwach. Ngay sarli Nukalas mepan Pachawan kanile kumurakan hautapan sapal macay Roman Ranwach. O yet aralapan sapal macay Roman kayo government na pesam Pachawan Yamuchung uyapan kamangatan ko Senate and US mepit governing our FAS Allies Hak o kawaw penran henebesam Independence Day. Rong sang kanikarwen ponpe ni October yay saksido hen par yakite saktumaw waliapan penyen US House of Representatives Pachawan kan kamamatan ko Senate and US tepil mepit governing our FAS Allies Hak Met when we don't write a canoe yet to one million and wait a person, Wayne Marshall Lane or Wayne Pelau, me passion and when you was the Ryan Kapyan, Tatonki, Teale, Sawas and Pension Medicaid program. Name to end time is Sansan the program and Medicaid, we are a program and when you was Mekan Pechawan Sawasay right to a million and when you was can. May ritual and sense so chap. Ang apal pa na ritual wuni, te anan and mon wuni. Sabon na child government la penepesem pechuan wiya chungal kapeng lau kang government and US ang nuyapan tatawkoch at melen rai walya tokan me pechuan uchung tatawakan sawaskoch. Korea win sabon na child ranwach pan sang kolonya win Pohnpei Wayne Pohnpei pan Pachawan Pachang Wayne Epesam o Kawawi Ranan Epesam Independence Day Meye ni Lopan Papayo hen Baro Yakit Hesaptuwa Mengko Ye Machakan Hautapan Sapal Machay Ron Ranwach Kalanganin Kupuran Koras o Kasalibya